Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkanta Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Topic numerical on cantilever beam and numerical on cantilever beam with UDL. Okay, so we will solve a numerical on cantilever beam first. So you may see the figure. Draw the SFD and BMD shown in figure. Cantilever beam means what? One end is fixed and one end is free. So on the end which is free, at that point the load is acting of 50 kilonewton, you may see, and total span is of 2 meter. So let Ra be the reactive forces at the fixed end of the cantilever. Summation of Fi is equal to 0. Upward force positive, downward force negative. Ra minus 50 is equal to 0. So Ra value will be a 50 kilonewton. I will calculate the SF calculation. Same SF calculation I will start from the free side. Okay, free end. From free side, not free end. Okay, SF at BR first. So SF at BR is 0 kilonewton. SF at BL is equal to 50 kilonewton. AR 50 kilonewton and AL is minus 50 and plus 50 is equal to 0 kilonewton. Whatever point I got, I will mark on the diagram. Okay, and I will make the SFD diagram. After after that BM calculation. Bending moment at B is equal to 0 kilonewton meter since free end of the cantilever beam. Okay, fixed end minus 50 multiplied by 2, okay, is equal to minus 100 kilonewton meter. Note, bending moment at the free end of the cantilever is 0. Bending moment at the fixed end is maximum. Always start SFD and BMD calculation from the free end of the cantilever beam. Okay. So this again the simple problem. Draw SFD and BMD for a cantilever beam shown below. Let RA and let RA be the reactive forces at the fixed end of the cantilever beam. Summation of Fi is equal to 0. So from Ra minus 30 downward force minus 20 downward force is equal to 0, and Ra value I will get 50 kilonewton. SF calculation I will make from free side. So at BR it is 0, at B left it is 0, at CR it is 0, at CL it is 20, at D left dr it is 20, at D left it is 30 plus 20 is equal to 50 kilonewton. Okay, at AR is 50 kilonewton and A left is equal to 0. Whatever points I've got, I will mark first straight line 0 0. Okay, so at B it is 0, at BL it is 0. Okay, at CR also it is 0. At CL on same line it is 20. I will take up from 20 to DR it is 20. I will take horizontal line, straight line. Okay, from horizontal straight line again it will go off at 50 kilonewton. Again 50 kilonewton it will go horizontal straight line 50. Okay, from 50 it will come again to the 0 kilonewton. This will be the SFD diagram in kilonewton. BM calculation. Bending moment at B is equal to 0 kilonewton meter, free end of the cantilever beam. Bending moment at C is 0 kilonewton per meter. Okay, bending moment at D is equal to minus 20 into 1 is equal to minus 20 kilonewton meter. Bending moment at A is equal to minus 20 into 2 bracket minus 30 into 1 is equal to minus 70 kilonewton meter. Whatever the points I've got, I will mark minus 20 and minus 70. I will join the line, and this will be the BMD in kilonewton meter. Now we will start the cantilever beam with UDL. You may see the figure. A cantilever span of 2.5 meter length carries the point load of 10 kilonewton at the free end and UDL of the 5 kilonewton meter per meter for the distance 1 meter from the end. Draw SFD and BMD. Okay, figure will be not given, you have to draw. So they have said 2.5 meter length carries the point load of 10 kilonewton. Okay, at the free end. I have marked, and UDL is there of 5 kilonewton per meter from the distance 1 meter from the free end. Okay, 1 meter from 1 meter. Hmm. Let RA be the reactive forces at the fixed end of the cantilever. Summation of Fi is equal to 0. Upward force positive and downward force negative. So RA minus 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. SF calculation. Okay, so SF calculation, SF at BR is equal to 0 kilonewton, SF at BL is equal to 10 kilonewton, SF at CR is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 kilonewton, SF at CL is equal to 15 kilonewton, at AR it will be a 15 kilonewton, and at AL is equal to 0 kilonewton. SF, after getting SFD values, I will draw the diagram. Okay, after that, bending moment calculation. Bending moment at B is equal to 0 kilonewton meter since free end of the cantilever beam. Bending moment at C is equal to minus 5 into 0.5 minus 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 12.5 kilonewton meter. Bending moment at A is equal to minus 10 multiplied by 2.5 minus 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 35 kilonewton meter. Okay, after getting the values, I will mark, and on the portion where the UDL is there, in that portion there will be a bending moment as a parabola, and where there is not a UDL, on that portion the bending moment will be a straight line. Okay, a cantilever or length L is subjected to a point load of 5 kilonewton. Okay, free length, calculate L if a maximum bending moment is 10 kilonewton. So W is given 5 kilonewton, bending max, BM max is given 10 kilonewton meter, and they have said to calculate L is how much. Okay, so bending moment at A is equal to bending maximum bending moment is equal to minus 5 multiplied by L. So maximum bending moment is 10 is equal to minus 5 multiplied by L. So L will be a minus 2 meter. Therefore we can write L is equal to 2 meter. Therefore length of the cantilever L is equal to 2 meter. I have marked. Draw the SFD and BMD of cantilever of length or 2 meter subjected to the UDL of 20 kilonewton meter for a distance of 1.5 meter for the free end. So again we'll solve same diagram. Okay, first RA be the reactive force of the at the fixed end of the cantilever. Summation of A is equal to 0. RA minus 30 is equal to 0. SF calculation. Okay, so I will get RA is equal to 30 kilonewton. SF calculation. So on the UDL, on the portion where there is UDL in SFD, there will be a straight inclined line, and in BMD there will be a parabola. So I have already calculated SF at BR is equal to 0 kilonewton, SF at BL is equal to 0 kilonewton, at CR it will be a 0 kilonewton, CL it will be a 0 kilonewton, and at SF at AR is equal to 30 kilonewton, and at SF at AL is equal to 0 kilonewton. So bending moment calculation, one is sagging positive and one is hogging negative. Bending moment at B is equal to 0 kilonewton meter free since free end of the cantilever beam. Bending moment at C is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter, 10 kilonewton meter, not per. Okay, bending moment at A is equal to minus 30 multiplied by 0.75, it will give you a minus 2.5 kilonewton meter. I will solve, I will get the values of BMD, I will mark, and I will make the figure, and that BMD will be there as a bending moment diagram in kilonewton meter. Draw a SFD and BMD of cantilever beam carrying the UDL of omega, okay, W kilonewton per meter. So let Ra be the reactive forces of a beam of a cantilever. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. Ra minus Wl is equal to 0. Ra is equal to Wl multiplied by 4. Okay. Ra minus Wl is equal to 0. Ra is equal to Wl kilonewton. Summation SF calculation. SF calculation is SF at Dr is equal to 0 kilonewton, SF at Bl is equal to 0 kilonewton, SF at Ar is equal to W into L kilonewton, and SF at Al is equal to 0 kilonewton. After SFD, I will get BM calculation. Bending moment at B is equal to 0 kilonewton meter. Free end of the cantilever beam. Bending moment at the A point, bracket, minus WL multiplied by L upon 2 bracket close is equal to minus WL square divided by 2 kilonewton meter. I will mark. And in UDL there will be a parabola in bending moment, and there will be a straight inclined line in SFD. Now again a cantilever beam is there, okay, of 2.4 long, carries the point load of 20 kilonewton and 50 kilonewton at the free end and 1.68 from the free end respectively. It also carries the uniform distributed load of 30 kilonewton per meter starting from the 0.24 meter to the 1.2 meter from the free end. Draw SFD and BMD. Okay, I have drawn the figure as per the sum is given. Okay, after drawing, what do you have to do? Let Ra be the reactive forces at the cantilever beam, fixed end of the cantilever beam. Okay, where the cantilever fixed end is there, we have to draw a Ra force always. Okay, and you have to mention Ra is equal to summation of Fi is equal to 0. So upward force is positive and downward force is negative. So Ra minus 50 minus 28.8 minus 20 is equal to 0. So Ra value will be 98.8 kilonewton. After that, SF calculations are there. So after calculating the SFD, I will calculate the BMD. I have already solved. Okay. After calculating, I have marked on the diagram. You may have a look. How I have solved. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt, or you can WhatsApp me personally. Thank you.